Hello everyone. This video will cover necessary information for using the printers at the library. There are a total of 4 printers at the BD Owens Library. 2 black and white printers are located on the right side of the front desk. One colored photocopier is located on the left side of the front desk.
The photocopier can also print black and white and print from scan or email.
And an additional black and white printer is located on the second floor in the Student Success Center near the elevators. Standard black and white printing costs 10 cents, while colored printing costs 25 cents. Students are auto-billed by their login credentials for the size of the print job. Printing charges will appear on your university bill within 2 to 3 business days of printing. To connect to a printer with your student laptop, you will need to type in //PERI in your Windows search bar, then press enter. Select either OL100C OPC for the photocopier or Owens Library printer for black and white.
If you are printing on the black and white printer on the second floor, you will choose OL23OP.
Once your printer's window shows up, you may select the document you would like to print. Select your preferred print settings and hit print. If you are printing with the color photocopier, you will need to release your prints by swiping your Northwest student ID. If you are having trouble and need assistance, ask the library service desk or call Northwest Technology Service Center at 660-562-1634. I hope you all find this guide useful. Thanks for watching.